Hello yogis, it's Rosalie here and welcome to the short and sweet morning yoga flow. This is great to do first thing in the morning just to get your energy moving, or anytime that you have a little bit of an energy slump and you want to give yourself a big boost of energy. We're going to get started today standing at the top of our mats. So we're going to get started today at the top of our mats. So really stand here nice and tall in our mountain pose or Tadasana. So really pressing the feet down into the mat, engaging your legs, draw the belly button up, reach the crown of your head up. Let's bring our hands together, heart space. Let's begin just by taking one big cleansing breath. Let's take a big inhale through the nose. Open your mouth. Sigh the air out. Your next inhale, go ahead and reach the arms up and overhead. Now as you exhale, put a big bend through the knees. We're just dropping the fingertips down onto the mat. We're going to inhale to draw the hands up the shins. So find this nice flat back. Reach the crown of your head forward. Exhale, forward fold. Plant the palms down and just take a big step back into a plank pose. Draw the belly button in. Reach the crown of your head forward. Push the heels towards the back. So nice strong plank pose. Big inhale here. As you exhale, drop the knees. Release the toes. Now start to bring your chest slowly all the way down. Those elbows stay tucked in by the side of your body. Let's roll the shoulders back, peel the chest up. Exhale, forehead comes down, tuck the toes. Push yourself into this down dog now. Really have your fingers nice and spread, pushing the palms down. Send your heels down towards the mat. Imagine making an upside down letter V with your body. We'll take a big inhale to come all the way up into the toes. Exhale, heels come down. One more time, big inhale like you're wearing high heels for the ladies. Exhale, heels come down. We'll float that right leg up nice and high. And as you exhale, look between your hands. Drop that right foot in between your hands. So here we are in a low lunge. Reach the crown of your head forward. Really push that back leg away. Nice strong back leg. Little sway from side to side. Good. We're going to release that back knee down. Release the top of the foot. As you inhale, bring yourself up. Exhale, sink down through the hips. We're making these cactus arms. Inhale to come up. Exhale down. Let's do that one more time. Big inhale floats you up. Exhale, drop the fingertips down. Reach now your hips towards your back foot, straightening that right leg. Let's go with a breath, moving with a breath. Big inhale to reach the crown of the head forward a little bit more. Exhale, can you drop down towards your leg? And again, big inhale to look up. Exhale, down one more time. Big inhale. Exhale, down. Just staying here for a couple of breaths. Finding that nice length through the back of the right leg. And then we're going to come back forward. We're going to tuck the back toes so that back leg is nice and straight. Plant the left hand. Big inhale, reach the right hand up towards the sky. Really feel that upward lift. One more inhale. Exhale, the right hand comes down. We're back in our plank pose. Drop the knees. Coming all the way down towards the mat. This time we're going to take our fingertips off of the mat, push the tops of the feet into the mat. As you inhale, peel the chest up looking forward. Exhale down. And again, big inhale. So think about opening up through your upper back here. If If you feel any pressure on your lower back, don't come up as high. Exhale down, plant the palms. We're pressing ourselves back in our down dog. And your next inhale, you're going to float the left leg up. As you exhale, that left foot comes in between your hands. Really nice, strong back leg. Reach the crown of your head forward. Push that left heel back. Maybe add a little sway from side to side. And then we're going to release that back knee down onto the mat. Release the toes. Inhale brings you all the way up. Exhale, can you sink down through the hips? Inhale up. Exhale down, really opening up through the hip flexor. One more time. Inhale brings you up. Exhale down, fingertips come down. And we're going to come into this hamstring stretch, reaching the hips towards the back foot, straightening that left leg. Maybe just a little sway from side to side just for a moment. And then we're going to move with the breath. Inhale, find length through the spine. Reach the crown of the head forward. Exhale to forward fold. Inhale up. Exhale, just drape over your left leg. One more time. Big inhale brings you up. Exhale down. Good. Let's come back. Hands forward. Tuck the back toes. Straightening that back leg. Let's plant the right hand down this time as you reach that left hand up. So really reach to those fingertips at the top and push the right hand down. Back leg still nice and engaged. Take one more breath. Exhale, the left hand comes down. Now looking forward, just step that right foot to meet the left. Take a big inhale, the hands come up the shins. Exhale down. Now bring your feet hip width distance apart. Put a big bend through the knees. And very slowly, notch by notch, bring yourself all the way back up. As you inhale, float the arms up and overhead, palms touch. Exhale, draw your hands back down to your hearts. Well, thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it the thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on yoga, meditation, and practices to live your most extraordinary life. See you next time.